In this video, we will explore ByteNova. They have raised $15 million funding. It is backed by NVIDIA. Join my Telegram channel for daily airdrop updates. All website links are in description. Let's start. Visit ByteNova website. Connect MetaMask. Click Quest. Connect X and follow ByteNova. Connect Discord. Join their Discord. Complete all remaining social tasks. Do daily check-in. For check-in, you need some BNB. In BNB Smart Chain, you have to do this daily. Also bind email address. Earn points for ByteNova airdrop. Subscribe to my channel for more airdrop content. Thanks for watching.